Welcome back. This morning I released on the site a business marketing set that has an email gallery announcement template within it. I was trying to find a workaround that would work in Gmail that you could notify your clients of their online galleries being ready to be viewed or chosen. I've never done online galleries, so I wanted to find a way to make it really a nice polished interaction for those of you that do. So when you open the template, you see my copyright, and I try to be conscious of telling you what fonts that are being used within the template that are free, and we're going to turn that off. Our design elements are right here on this layer. All of the names, the passwords, all of this text here is editable so that you can give them their password here to their online gallery. So we're going to go to place image. We're going to go place embedded, and we're going to choose an image. We're going to set it in place either clicking on the layer or the check mark. I'm going to click on the layer. We're going to merge this, and we're going to do a file, save as, and you need to save this as, we're going to do it Sarah's Gallery 2, because I've had to do this a couple of times for this video. And we're going to go ahead and save that at a maximum of 12. This is only a 3x2 template, so there's no fear of any copyright infringement, etc. So we're going to minimize Photoshop at this point, and we're going to go to Compose. I'm going to enlarge this, and we're going to bring it down. We're going to minimize that window, sorry. And we are going to find Sarah 2. Whoops, sorry. And we're going to drag and drop it into Gmail. Let me expand this so you can see what we're going to do. And I'm going to email this to myself, and we're going to say that it's Sarah's Gallery. All of the information for the gallery is right here. Their password, that their gallery is ready, and they get also a little sneak peek. So what we're going to do is just click and hold your mouse there until it's highlighted. We're going to insert a link. Now I'm just going to use my portfolio here. We're going to copy this link, and we're going to remove this because we don't want that link to show, and we're going to paste, or you can do Control V, always making sure that you're getting rid of this top view here, and say OK. Now this is ready to be sent to our client in a very polished, professional manner. So we're going to send this, and it's come to my Gmail already, and it's going to flash a couple of times because of the speed that we went. But what this does is it gives you a personal way of reaching out to your client and making it very personalized, that it's their gallery, that you custom made this for them, and it's giving them a sneak peek at the same time. These can be customized to your brand needs, possibly your sessions that you're doing, if it might be mini sessions, if you want a special theme of some sort. These can be customized, and all you have to do is contact me via my site contact area, and we can work it out. It's amazing that we can make something so professional and personal, even in the day of social media that we have. So we've opened the email, and all we have to do is click on this, and it's going to take us exactly where we asked it to go. So if this is Pixieset or any of the online galleries, it would take them to their link, and they would input their password that is listed right on this image. So it gives you another step of being that much more personal and professional with your clients. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.